Hello and welcome to another Spectrum Geeks video. This one is about lighting. It's this Sansi Wing Light. We're going to check it out, see how bright it is in the garage to see if it's a good idea to get something like this for your garage or workshop. So it looks pretty cool. Okay, so this is a well overdue video. The kind people at Sansi sent me this box towards the end of 2020, but only just now am I getting round to reviewing it. I'd never heard of Sansi before they reached out to me and offered to send me this to check out. So I'll just give you a little bit of background on them because they're new to me as well. So they've been around since around 1993 and are the world's second largest manufacturer of LED lighting products. So they do lights like this, they do displays, they do industrial signs, etc. They're headquartered in Shanghai and they have 3 different manufacturing factories, and they currently hold 246 patents with 128 more pending, I think. So they hopefully know what they're doing in terms of the LED kind of manufacturing game. So what they've sent me here is their Sansi 60 watt wing light. So my plan is to try this out in the garage, but we'll start off with the unboxing, then talk a little bit more about kind of the specs and what it does, and obviously most importantly at the end, put this in the garage to see what it looks like. How does it work? Does it provide an improvement over a conventional bulb or something? So let's have a little unboxing. So pretty standard basic cardboard packaging. Not fancy, but not tatty either. Looks pretty good. Open up the inside here. Pretty well packaged. Some thin, lightweight foam. Little user guide, which we will check out in a moment. And then if we just pull this out. Carefully does it. Just put the box to one side. A little bit of you're now a Stellar VIP, not quite sure what that means. We'll just get this out of the packaging. Okay, and here we have it. It's pretty substantial. It's got a decent weight to it. I think 940 grams is the claimed weight of the product. And when you look at fully extending it, it's around 15.2 centimeters by 15.2 centimeters and 18.4 centimeters in depth. So yeah, this is it. Obviously you can see what it is. It's a light. It has a E27 socket on the end there. So we'll just pull these out and I'll talk to you about the specs a little bit more before we install it. So it's got an E27 socket, so assuming you have that, you can just put it straight in. I don't have those. One of the things I had to wait for was some of these E27 to bayonet fittings, which is what I have in my garage, so I was going to need before I could install this. So I'm going to put a link in the description for Amazon for both this light and the adapter in case you need them. The light at the time of doing this review in early 2021 is £36, so we're going to see at the end if we think that's good value for money or not for what it is. I've got to be honest with you, I thought it would feel a bit of a cheap product, but it actually is really nicely constructed, well finished, and I mean you can hear just how smooth this is. There's tension in place to be able to hold the lights at whatever kind of angle you're going to need them. But yeah, that's pretty good. I'm impressed. So in terms of the specs, so as you can see here, it's got these foldable wings, 4 of them on this model, each foldable 90 degrees from their starting position. So once it kind of gets to the horizontal line here, it doesn't go any further. So the whole idea here is that whatever your positioning is, you can angle it enough to get the right light. Now, of course, one of the prohibiting factors will be the light unit it goes into, because obviously you're only going to go as high as where it hits your ceiling. So we'll have to see how mine is in the garage. So in terms of what we're going to be comparing it to, I currently have a Hue light bulb down in there at the moment, which I think is about 11 watts. This is a 60 watt light unit all combined, which will give the equivalence of around 450 watts of lumens in terms of the lighting. But the actual, so what I mean is, this is only 60 watts, but it gives the equivalent of a light that would be 450 watts, but has 6,000 lumens of output from each of these LEDs combined. And each of those LEDs, which you can't see obviously because it's a little bit frosted, I don't know how well it's going to show up, but you can see that LED light cluster there. Each of those lights give off a 120 degree beam of light, so it should give up a really nice lighting. So I think it's going to be perfect for a garage or workshop area. And they claim, and again I'm not sure how tall my ceiling is, it must be about 8 or 9 foot, but it says 8 feet high it will give around 700 to 8 foot area of lighting, so that's pretty good. As mentioned, E27 socket, comes with 2 years warranty. So the main thing for us to do now is go downstairs. I'll show you what it looks like with the current Hue light, and then see what it looks like with this bad boy installed, and if it's going to be worth considering. If it does work well for me, I think I might look at a automatic light switch which will sense the movement, because that's what I currently have for my Hue lighting at the moment. I walk in and the Hue light will turn on, and after a few minutes it will turn off when there's no activity. So getting something like that for a light switch for this might make it even better. Obviously I don't think it's dimmable, but that's fine. You want a nice bright light for working in the garage or the shed. Just pop downstairs, show you what it looks like. Okay, so please excuse any mess, but this is the current lighting here in the garage. Boxing all sorts of stuff over at the moment, but that is a Philips Hue colour light. I'll put the information down below as to the exact specs it is in terms of comparison, but we will now pop that out and try the Sansi Wing Light in and see if it makes much difference. Okay, so before I turn the light on, I just want to show you kind of how I've positioned it. So just up there, kind of angle things up just a little bit, some of the sides. Now, as mentioned, this is normally on an E27 screw-in, but obviously because I have to have a bayonet adapter, there is some movement with it. So that's not a fault of the light, that's just an unfortunate circumstance that, you know, I don't have an E27 connector screw, but it all looks pretty good, and you can see there's a decent amount of clearance here. So if you wanted to, I could have those spread up quite high, but I actually want the light to disperse across the garage. So let's turn the light switch on and see what this looks like. We're back over in the same position as we were, and turn the light switch on now. Holy crap! Yeah, this is amazing. I recommend this light. Is all I'm going to say. What? I mean, I know it's going to be using more energy because this is 60 watts compared to, I think it was like 9.5 watts or something, but oh my word, amazing. I honestly don't know why I'm so amazed, because obviously this light was going to be brighter because there's multiple LEDs and stuff, but it's really transformed this garage. I'm really impressed. I'm just going to walk through and stand right underneath it. This is brilliant. I mean, look how exposed I am now, but yeah, this light, I mean, I'm a big fan of car detailing and stuff. Being able to detail in this garage now with this light is going to be amazing. How well you can kind of see any defects and everything. I mean, you can't look at it, it hurts, but I am really impressed with that. I'm kind of lost for words. I recommend this product. I know obviously they sent it to me, it didn't cost me anything, but I would buy one of these, and I recommend it. If you've got a garage light and you were thinking about I mean, again, I was thinking about putting some additional lighting in here, like a couple of long light strips. Not now with this thing. This is amazing. So, link in the description if you want to get one of these yourself. Sansi, massive thank you for sending this. This light is absolutely awesome. Now I can see even how much messier my garage is, and I need to do something about it. Please like, comment, subscribe, press that ding dong bell, and do all the other things. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.